Welcome to STEM Wars 2020. This will be the 9th year of STEM Wars, and STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. It's a war because we have the students come in here with projects they've worked on and they compete together, and there can be only one.
Very important piece to this is giving these students the opportunity to feel like winners. They are winners.
Discussion around STEM the last few years. I think every kid understands science, technology, engineering, and mathematics and their importance. What we are hoping to do is obviously to reinforce that STEM and STEM activities are inherently creative, that you're making something, you're understanding something, you're doing something, and that there's no barriers to that.
The other thing that's so important for these students to take advantage of is our manufacturing fair that takes place upstairs. The opportunity to speak with employers, local employers, to find out how their passion and their interest in these different areas, like robotics, engineering, math, how they can turn those into careers later on.
This is the proof in the pudding. You know, you hear it in the background. This is where they're doing it in real life. And that's huge. And that's the connection, the biggest connection we want to make.